In this question, it is given that for some ABC belonging to N, let fx is equal to ax minus 3 and gx is equal to this thing where x belongs to R. If f naught g inverse x is equal to this, then f naught g AC and g naught f B is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blank. First of all, I will find the value of f naught gx. F naught gx, that is f of gx is equal to a into gx minus 3, that is a into x power b plus c minus 3, that is a x power b plus ac minus 3. And this information implies that x is equal to f naught g of this expression, that is I can say x is equal to f naught g of x minus 7 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 3, that is x is equal to a into x minus 7 by 2 whole to the power b by 3 plus ac minus 3. And because this was valid for every value of x in the domain, that is, this is valid for every value of x in the domain, and because left hand side is linear expression in x, therefore right hand side will be linear expression b by 3 equal to 1, that is b is equal to 3. And after taking b equal to 3, the equation becomes a into x minus 7 by 2 plus ac minus 3. It is clear that coefficient of x on left hand side is 1 and on right hand side it is a by 2, which means a is equal to 2. And now comparing constant term, I get 0 equal to minus 7a by 2 plus ac minus 3, and taking a equal to 2, I get 0 equal to minus 7 plus 2c minus 3, that is the value of c becomes 5. Hence the value of c, a and b are known to you. And now so far we have reached at the result a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. And now putting the value of a, b and c, I get f naught g x is equal to 2x cube plus 2 into 5 minus 3, that is I have got 2x cube plus 7. And because we have got f naught g x is equal to 2x cube plus 7, that is now using f naught g x equal to 2x cube plus 7. Now using that, fx is equal to 2x minus 3 and gx equal to x cube plus 5. And now because we have to find the value of g naught f3, and this means we have to find the value of g naught f3, that is g of f3, and f3 is 3, hence I get g3 is 3 cube plus 5, that is 32. And we have to find the value of f naught g AC also, that is f naught g AC means 10, that is f of g10 equal to f of 10 cube plus 5 means 1005, and fx equal to 2x minus 3 means 2 into 1005 minus 3, 2010 minus 3, that is 2007. That is the value of this I have got is 2007 and the value of this I have got is 32. That is the answer will be 2039.